Hello, this recording is to check your answers for lesson 1 on the order of operations, or actually lesson 2. I apologize about that. All right, let's start with number 1. There we go. You need to remember PEMDAS here, so I'm going to go ahead and write that over here. And P stands for parentheses, so let's work inside our parentheses. And we actually have 2 sets of parentheses in number 1. We want to start with the innermost one, so that 2 plus 5, which is 7. So I'm going to rewrite over here as I work. So 19 minus 7, and we still have a set of parentheses, so working left to right because we only have subtraction left. So 19 minus 7 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So our answer to number 1 is 3. All right, for number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and switch colors here each time to keep things coordinated. I don't have any parentheses and I don't have any exponents, so I'm going to start with multiplication and division left to right. And I just so happen to have both, but working left to right, I run into the multiplication first. So 7 times 11 is 77, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then working addition and subtraction left to right, we get 2 plus 77 is 79. And 79 minus 4 is 75. So we get an answer of 75 for number 2. For number 3, I'll be working in purple here. This one looks pretty complicated. We have a lot of parentheses, so we start with the innermost in the numerator, which is 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 over 4 minus, and we can go ahead and do this parentheses of 6 plus 2, which is 8. And we can go ahead and do our last parentheses of 3 minus 5, which is a negative 2. Working this now, we still have parentheses of 3 plus 1, which is our 4. I have 4 minus 8 in the denominator, which is a negative 4. And I have a negative minus 2, or minus negative 2. That's going to turn into a plus 2 at the end. But I got to take care of this fraction here first. So 2 times 4 is 8, divided by negative 4. So I still have division happening. So 8 divided by negative 4 is a negative 2. And a negative 2 plus 2 is a 0. So we actually end up with 0 for number 3. Or that was number 4. We accidentally skipped number 3 there. So that was number 4. We'll go back to number 3 now. I'll work in a green for that one. Number 3 is a lot nicer. We do have 2 sets of parentheses, so let's go ahead and work on those first. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Divided by 7 minus 12 is a negative 5. So 10 divided by a negative 5 is a negative 2. So let's see if I can maybe move my 0 down a little bit here. And we can put our number 2 up by number 3. So negative 2. Good. And number 4 we already did. That one was in purple. So we do get 0 for number 4. Number 5. For number 5, we want to start with our multiplication first. So we get 4 plus 7 times 3, which is 21, over 9 minus 4, which is 5, plus, now in the second fraction here, we do need to do multiplication first. So we're going to have 12 minus 6 there. This will equal, let's see, 4 plus 21 is 25. 12 minus 6 is 6. And now my division is 5 plus 3, which equals 8. So we do get 8 for number 5. For number 6, I'm going to go ahead and go back to red. We need to do inside parentheses first, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so that'll be a 3 squared, plus 3 squared times 2. Exponents come next, so 3 squared is 9. So we have 9 plus 9 times 2. Multiplication comes next, so 9 plus 18. And 9 plus 18 is 27. So for 6, we get an answer of 27. And the last one, again, I'll go back to maybe a green here. For the last one, we need to work inside parentheses, so our exponents will come before addition. So 2 squared is 4. And I have 4 plus 5, which is going to be our 9. But in the denominator here, before I continue on, I get 5 squared, which is 25, minus 4 squared, which is 16, divided by 2 plus 1, which is 3. So in my numerator, I get 4 plus 5, which is 9. 9 squared is 81. In my denominator, I have 25 minus 16, which is 9, divided by 3. 81 divided by 9 is 9. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we get an answer of 3 for number 7.